Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Unboxing Time with the Ramen Raider. This is the show where I show you what comes in the mail. And today we've got something from Japan. This is a Zenpop box. You can go over to zenpop.jp and use the coupon code The Ramen Raider. Get yourself a discount. This is a box with 7 different varieties of instant ramen from Japan. Let's see what's inside. Alright, so when you get one of these boxes, the first thing you're going to see is one of these cards. And on the other side, it has a QR code and a URL that you can use to get all the information on all the products contained within. Yeah, so you don't want to lose this. This has all the instructions, all the background, everything you want to know. Yeah, don't lose it. I'm going to go use that code right now and get some info on everything that's in here. All right, from Sapporo Ichiban, we have this Pokemon noodle, and it's a corn and butter shoyu. Yeah, they've had a few of these varieties from this series of Pokemon varieties included before. Got little graphics on it. There's a, what do you call that, a Gyarados. Then some of the characters on the front. There's a Metagross there. Yeah, it's just got a whole bunch of different Pokemon on it. And yeah, and as you can see from this graphic, Pikachu head Kamaboko. Next up from Nissin, we have chicken ramen Shirunashi Donburi Junkisa no Napolitan. So what I'm getting out of this is it's kind of a different take on Nissin chicken ramen. Chicken ramen was the first variety of instant noodle on the market back in 1958. And this kind of looks like it's a spaghetti version of it, which is really, really strange. But I can't think of any of the chicken ramen varieties that I've had that I didn't like. So yeah, this will be interesting. And from Sapporo Ichiban, we have a kuri Donburi. This looks interesting. I have no idea who this little spokes character is, but I like curry, and yeah, I'm noticing corn in here. So yeah, cool. Wow, this one looks pretty wild. So from Maroshon, we have Mukashi Nagara no Chahan Aji Yakisoba. So it's saying it's a retro fried rice flavor yakisoba. So yeah, we'll give it a try. And from Marotai, we have Aji Yokotai Tankatsu Ramen Kumamoto. Kumamoto Prefecture, really well known for tonkatsu, and Marotai as well. Their bowls are all right, but God, when this company shines is their straight noodles. They've got tonkatsu that just will blow your mind. Yeah, but this looks interesting. I'll be very happy to give this a try. And another variety from Marotai. Wow, this is their Tategata Miyazaki Ramen. Ramen. It does mention that it's spicy. I really don't understand much more of what they're saying about it. A lot of flourish. So, yeah, I'll review this one. And to wrap things up, here's one from Ace Cook. This is it says soup harusame wonton. So it's going to be a thin noodle, and I'm believing that I'm seeing bits of wonton in here. So it's like a wonton min. Cool. Alright, so in this, the October 2022 Red Ramen River box from Zenpop, you get tonkatsu, wonton harusame, something a little spicy, butter shoyu, curry, chicken spaghetti, fried rice yakisoba, and your info card. Alright, well, thank you very much, as always, to the nice folks at Zenpop. These boxes generally don't have anything I've ever tried before in them, which is great for me. And great for you if you like to try new things. So head on over to zenpop.jp, use the coupon code The Ramen Raider, get yourself a discount, and enjoy. And this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.